We have Angie and Andonian. Don't you kick. I'll have to beat you on video. Oh, Jewel says, I'm tired of waiting. Sorry, Vic. She did that with Maya the other day on the trail. There was a section where she hesitated. I was going to have Maya lead through the water, and then Maya didn't want to, so Jewel led. Bitchy Barbie doll is giving Sue a nice ride, hopping and trotting and being a spunkster. And he's off into the water. You don't have to go down there. You can stay here if you want.
You gotta play water polo.
Are you gonna go down there? You don't have to. It's like, I want to. Hi, Sheila. We missed her playing in the water.
Yeah, they swim in the pond all summer.
Aw. Oops, we have trees in the way. Let's not fall down. Here we have Sheila leading the way. Is this only your second trail ride with her?
Well, as far as me, yeah. She's been on a couple with the gal I said to get them started.
Aw, good girl.
They started her by ponying her and taking her up today.
Sue's got some extra anxiety going on today. We're videotaping her on Vicky in the lead, which Vicky's never in the lead. She just sat a good buck. We don't know what the hell she's doing to Vicky. What happened to slowpoke lazy Vicky? Sue makes every horse do the parade trot. Can you get on Juby and make her do that little trot?